Wow, I'm glad I had this jacket on. Wow. It came out of nowhere. Whew. It's all right. Nothing broken. Glad I got this good jacket on. Holy shit. G'day guys, yeah, it's Mark here, Throttle Riding Adventures. I contacted a company called Merlin about a new jacket. So I've just gone looking and looking. I've been looking hard for something that's going to fill that gap. You know, I hate having to take all the wet weather gear. I find if you've got a proper jacket, why the hell do you need to have to take wet weather gear all the time? It's so bloody annoying. Back when I started riding, over 40 years ago, I actually started out as an L-plater and I had the old bell staff gear, which is a cotton wax fabric. Yeah, I know it doesn't breathe like this new stuff, but you know, undo the zippers and let the thing breathe a little bit when you're riding along. That's how what I used to do anyway. But I always found that old bell staff stuff worked really, really well. But, you know, I found another company called Merlin. Merlin have done this fantastic looking jacket. It looks like a proper ADV jacket. So I've reached out to them and they actually, with my surprise, they sent me a jacket out and said, Mark, just enjoy the jacket. Tell us what you think. And, you know, we feel it's going to work for you with the waterproof inside. So I'm sure it's going to be great. This company's from the UK, over in England. And, you know, it's rain. I think it rains over there all the time. I'm pretty sure it rains there all the time, so you know this thing's got to be waterproof. Yeah, we're in a hotter climate over here in Australia. It probably might be a bit warm in the middle of summer, but I wear a vest in summer. You know, all an open vest, and you know, if I'm really worried about it, and if I'm going on a really long trip, and I'm going to wear the vest only, obviously you're going to take the wet weather gear, obviously. But for something just our normal climate. Like we've just done a 4-day trip away. Yeah, it rained a bit while we were away and it was freezing cold. I think that's going to cover everything, this jacket. But anyway, I'm going to just have an open up. Like I said, I'm very excited. I've come home from the 4-day trip and it's here waiting for me. So yeah, I'm just hanging to open it up and see what's inside. Yeah, is that the right way? It really doesn't matter. Wow, it is a heavy jacket. Wow, I tell ya, I'm not expecting this. Looks like it's got a possible removable liner. What the hell are they throwing in there? Oh, they got me a hanger as well. Wow, what a heavy jacket. Because I've not seen one of these in the flesh. I'm not sure if it's a removable liner or not. Oh, it is. It is a removable liner. It's got, look like a breathable section there. Holy shite. This, I'm not gonna lie, this is, oh, I think got waterproof zippers on the inside. That's all waterproof. Huh. So you can put your mobile phone and anything electrically in there by the look at that and it's not going to affect it. Oh man, this quality is something else. What on earth is this about? It's got a little zipper there. Is that an air? That must be air. Let the air through. I think that's what that is. It's an air zipper. Wow. Okay. I'll just see if there's some vents on the back. What have we got on the back? Oh, it's another section to have put stuff in. It is still, it's another waterproof pouch on the back. Oh, this is quality. No two ways about it. Oh man, I'll tell you what, that is gonna, okay, I've actually unzipped that. So I'll just re-zip that back down and put it on. Goodness me, I could have really done with this jacket on the last ride because it was cold. We went away and it was freezing cold. Oh, you can tell this is going to be so warm. Oh Wow. It's got pockets on the inside as well. They're all waterproof as well. Oh, it's got that smell. It's got that old smell to it. I know it's new, but it just brings me back memories. This type of jacket, the old wax cotton. Oh. I cannot believe the quality in this. This is absolutely beautiful. And it fits perfectly. Woo! I am stoked. I cannot wait to take this out in the bike. Now this has been sitting here for 2 days, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to turn the camera on sooner or later. We've got another pocket system in the sleeve. There's pockets everywhere. Got the adjustments in the arms. That wraps right around. You could put loose change, a bit of money in that. Yeah, okay. Awesome. Righto, I'm going to take it off and have another bit of a look over here and go through everything. Fantastic. Here we go. Okay. I can see that there's a tag point there. Another tag point there. I just can't believe how good this is. It's just so well made. There's another colour brown. I was a bit torn on the brown, or this colour, the black. I don't know why, I always seem to go for the black. It's probably not the best colour, but seems a better colour. Here we go. So that's the liner out. This is all fairly solid gel padding. Didn't know that was there. Be honest, I wasn't really sure how this jacket was going to be. I knew it had padding, but what I seen was a padding, was this sort of the padding here. But here we go. We've got the they look like silicone inserts. They've even got pockets on the inside as well. They just haven't mucked around with it at all. Yeah, got a pocket, and that'd be my left side. On the inside, yeah, fairly decent pocket. Oh, another pocket here. Yeah, okay, it's actually a waterproof pocket. So I'm not sure what that D30 protected, I'm not sure what that's about, but I will look it up. Look, I've been wearing the jacket for probably 4 months now. I've done a lot of miles on it, probably 5,000 Ks I've done with the jacket. Been through a lot of rain, a hell of a lot of rain, really cold conditions. This is definitely a three seasons jacket. I certainly wouldn't be wearing this type of jacket in the middle of summer here in Australia. It'd be way too hot. The airflow's not too bad. It's got these vents here. There's a couple of vents on the back, and the air does go through. I found just opening, obviously, the jacket a bit, or even rolling your arms on the handlebars and having the air go up, and you do cool down fairly quickly. If you want a quality jacket, this is by far the most quality jacket I've ever seen. With the unboxing, I was just like blown away with the quality. There's nothing on the jacket it's just not quality. Down to the buckles, everything. It comes with a few of these buttons and that with the jacket. I found it in one of the pockets. With this new jacket that was given to me by Merlin, thanks guys for the jacket. I really do appreciate it, and I really do love the jacket. I'm not saying it because you guys actually gifted it to me or gave it to me. So the fact it is a great jacket. Look, there's lots of stuff. There's a lot of little features on it. The fact that it's got the armour inside, it's got a removable liner, and the thing is 100% waterproof. Something that's actually waterproof. It is a wax cotton jacket. It does get dirty in the dust. Who cares? It's an ADV jacket. For me, it's not about what you look like. I don't care about the cut, what type of cut, what patterns, what fancy little letterings on it. That stuff is just shit to me. To me, what I needed was a jacket that actually bloody works at a really good price. For me, yeah, okay, it was for nothing. But to look online to see what these things were worth, these are way under $1,000 here in Australia, way under $1,000. So that's the crash I had. I ended up getting my mate's wife. I didn't actually get her to do it. She actually volunteered to do it. Thank you, Lauren. She put a patch on it for me, and that's a wax cotton patch. I just got a bit of wax put over the top of it. So she's now waterproof again. Can hardly tell. So for me to conclude the video, do I love the jacket? Absolutely love the jacket. It's going to be my main jacket. I'm just going to be wearing it all the time. So when anyone sees me, I'll be probably more than likely I'm going to be in this jacket. So if you want to have a look at it, yeah, pull me over, say g'day, I'll show you the jacket. I've not seen anyone else wear this jacket, especially in the ADV world. So, you know, if you like what you've seen, you know, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, at least a thumbs up, it really does help. Yeah, so thanks for sticking with me and joining me on this one. Until next time, start right.